In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook not opening in browser 5 minutes. If Outlook won't open in your browser, the most common cause is corrupted cookies or site data that's stuck in your browser. Clearing that data for Outlook usually resolves sign-in loops, endless loading spinners, or blank pages. I'll walk you through exactly what to do and explain what each step means so you know why it works. Start by opening your web browser. This method works in all major browsers. Look to the top right corner of the window and open the main menu. In Chrome and Microsoft Edge, it looks like 3 vertical dots. In Firefox, it's 3 horizontal lines. That serves the same purpose. From that menu, open the browser's settings. This takes you to the area where you can manage privacy, security, and saved data. Don't worry, we're only going to remove what Outlook needs to reset. Inside settings, find the section labeled privacy and security. Different browsers group things slightly differently, but you'll always see a privacy or security area that includes options for cookies and site data. Next, look for the control that lets you delete or clear browsing data. This opens a panel where you choose what kinds of stored information to remove and for what time range. If Outlook recently started failing, selecting a shorter time range like the last 7 days can be enough. If the issue has been around a while, choosing all time is more thorough. Make sure the option for cookies and other site data is selected. Cookies are small files websites use to remember your session. When they become outdated or corrupted, Outlook's web app can get stuck while trying to load or authenticate. Selecting this option will sign you out of most sites, which is expected and temporary. If you also want to be extra thorough, you can include cached images and files, but cookies are the key. Confirm by clicking the button to delete the data. The browser may take a few seconds to process, especially if you selected a longer time range. When it's done, your session with many sites will be reset. Now switch back to the Outlook tab in your browser and refresh the page. With the old cookies cleared, Outlook should load cleanly and prompt you to sign in again if needed. Enter your credentials as usual and you should find the inbox opening normally. If everything loads correctly, you're good to go. This simple reset resolves most browser-based loading issues with Outlook without changing anything else on your device.